Switching to a plant-based diet can feel like a big leap, but the benefits are truly remarkable. First off, let's talk health. A vegan diet is packed with nutrients, helping reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promoting weight loss. Imagine filling your plate with vibrant fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. Each bite is a step towards better health. And it's not just about personal wellness, it's about sustainable eating. By choosing a meat-free diet, you're actively reducing your carbon footprint and supporting eco-friendly practices. Plus, there are countless delicious vegan recipes out there that make it easy to enjoy meals without sacrificing flavor. Going plant-based doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, experiment with new ingredients, and discover how good it feels to nourish your body while caring for the planet. Embrace the journey, and you might just find that this lifestyle is not only beneficial but incredibly rewarding. For more insight, like and subscribe to Health Works.